this is Sophia from Chapel Hill Public Library, and today I am going to be leading y'all in creating a toy called a whirligig. They're super fun and pretty cool and pretty accessible to make. So the materials that you'll need are just stuff that I found around the house, 1 or 2 sheets of paper, a piece of cardboard, something to trace a circle with, so like a bowl, and some scissors and some string and glue.
Alright, so we have our sheet of paper, and now we're going to place the bowl and trace around the bowl to get that nice circle. So next is you're going to cut out that circle, okay? And if there's room on the page, it doesn't look like there's going to be room on mine, but you could trace another. So a little handy trick for later is once you have your circle, is you're going to fold it in half 2 times, and that's going to give us a middle point.
And now that we have our 2 pieces of paper, we're going to color them. You can color them however you would like to. You can do a cool design. It can all just be one color. It can be simple lines. Yeah, just have some fun with it. Alright, so now that we have our 2 circles colored in and our cardboard circle cut out, we're going to adhere these onto the cardboard on either side. You might want to refold just so that we can find that middle point again. So right in there, just to make it a little bit easier. Now that we have both of our colored circles onto the cardboard, we're going to take whatever we're using to poke holes and find that center point and poke 2 holes on either side of it, close to the center. This is a part where parents would probably be helpful. Yeah, we want the holes to be wide enough for the string to be able to move freely in. So we want them to be kind of wide, or like wider than our string. So you can kind of see them. Cut our string. We want it to be, I don't know, wherever's comfortable for you. So you're going to be holding it like this when you're playing with it. So we want double whatever length that you want to hold it at.
Alright, so now we want to get the string through those 2 holes. If you have kind of a yarn string, it could be a little harder, but we'll make it through to the other side. All right, and then you want to just lace that same one back through, if we can get it. Ta-da! So on one side it'll have that, and then on the other it's just these 2 strings, and then you're gonna knot them together.
Okay, so here is our completed whirligig. You're going to hold it like this, and to play with it, you are just going to kind of twirl it around like that, and then you pull, and it'll make those cool designs. Careful not to hit yourself in the face. It's happened a couple times. Yeah, kind of cool. Alright y'all, so that is it for the whirligig activity. We hope you enjoyed it. If y'all end up making some whirligigs, please send us pictures or videos or tag us in your posts. We would love to see what you're doing with this activity, and we miss you. So yeah, I hope y'all have a good one, enjoyed this, and hopefully there's going to be another one next Friday. So bye! Mwah!